Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Style YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the nav lights. This is an LED nav light. Now, Tim's going to cycle power and it's going to go into the flashing mode. Now it flashes 10 times a second with a quarter-second pause, and then it goes back and does it all over again. These are much brighter. Now we're going to go shoot a regular nav light, but this is what LEDs look like on your airplane. And you can ignore the pulsing you're seeing in here right now. It is actually steady. Okay, stand by. And this is what an incandescent nav light looks like. So choose your weapons wisely. Thanks for watching. And when you have LED nav lights, you need to mark the positive and negative side, because believe it or not, LEDs don't work when you give them power backwards. So just a little reminder. And as you can see, as part of this annual, we're replacing the nav lenses. Here's the old one, kind of a little cloudy even though it's been polished several times, versus the new one that Shot Monkey's holding up.
Little fingerprints right now.
Yeah, and he is trimming it to fit the airplane. That's the thing when you do a nav lens. You have to trim a little bit at a time. And I'll say that again. Only a little bit at a time, because if you trim too much, you're going to be buying a new lens. So that's why we're taking our time, sanding it and trimming it, getting it fit, and then we'll have the other side to do. But Spanky this Yankee is going to be having a new set of nav lenses to go home with after this annual. So this is what it looks like going in there. Stand by for some more fun.
Hope you got enough tape in there for as long as this hole's going to take.
Well, there you go. And notice that we are drilling forward with a sharp bit. Very, very slow. You don't want to crack. This is Lexan, not plexiglass. So this is how you drill a hole in the nav lenses. Stand by for more fun. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's your old one. That's what the new one's going to look like. So just take your time drilling the holes, which is what Matt's doing. So stay tuned. Let's see what Matt's doing. Drill another hole like he's been doing. Good deal. Thank you, guys. And so here's the new nav lens cover. As you can see, it's already been drilled. It's ready to go on the airplane, and Matt has cleaned all the fingerprints off. Now he's going to be taking my fingerprints off and installing it on the wingtip. Stand by.
Can you help me? Actually, yes. Let's get you to drive that screw right there. Hang a little bit.
So as you can see, Matt's put tape on the outline of the new one where the old one fit. That gives us our first cut of trimming off an inch or so, and then we'll do the finals all incrementally until it fits perfectly. Stand by. Here we are, trimming it down a little bit at a time. Stand by. And sometimes it takes an extra pair of hands to help hold them in place when you're marking them to do the final cuts and to drill the holes. So again, take your time and do a good job. Stand by. And there's Shot Monkey trimming the other one. Again, take your time a little bit at a time, because you make it too small, you can't stretch them back.